Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12, where we explore education and well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects students everywhere: mental health in online learning. As online learning becomes more common, students face unique challenges impacting their mental health. The lack of face-to-face interaction, increased screen time, and the pressure to stay self-motivated can lead to stress and anxiety. Here are some effective strategies to maintain mental well-being during online learning. Set a structured routine. Create a schedule that balances study time, breaks, and leisure. Consistency can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. Designate a learning space. Having a dedicated study area minimizes distractions and mentally prepares you for learning. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine to reduce stress and enhance concentration. Limit screen time. When classes end, step away from the screen, engage in offline activities to recharge. Stay connected. Reach out to friends, join online study groups, and maintain social connections to combat feelings of isolation. Numerous online tools and resources can assist in managing mental health while learning remotely. Explore mental health apps designed for relaxation and stress management. Virtual counseling services are also available for those seeking professional support. By being proactive and utilizing available resources, students can thrive in online learning while maintaining their mental well-being. Join us at Mindful Mentors 12 for more insights on balancing education and mental health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from these tips.